Right now, the energy sentiment has spiked to plus 0.461, and momentum is sitting at plus 0.600, a strong uptick from our historical baseline. This isn't just noise. It indicates a significant shift in how the energy sector is being perceived. You'll also notice that there are 19 semantic clusters at play, suggesting a diversity of opinions fueling this momentum. When you call our API, you get a comprehensive snapshot of sentiment, momentum, and underlying themes, all in one response. Imagine you're building a trading algorithm. This data can help you time your entry points or adjust your strategy based on real-time sentiment shifts. If you want to dive deeper, check out our documentation at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. Let's harness this data together.